All right, so we're gonna test out the microphones. If you guys could see that, the microphones. These are two little microphones, including with the case. It's a little windy today, so whenever you're establishing an interview, we could talk about something, and it's a dual microphone. How's the weather today?
It's beautiful. The flowers are blooming. The butterflies and bees are out. Perfect spring weather for us to take a walk.
All right, so whenever you're doing interviews outdoors, and we have a waterfall in the background, and this thing is capturing all the audio through there. It's rechargeable, easy to take with you, and they're very discreet. If you guys can see it, they're a little small.
All right, today we're going to bring some microphones, and not only are these two microphones you get for your phone, but you can actually use it for computer. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to plug in this because right now they give you an extension for the actual converter for an iPhone, all right, which is a Thunderbolt, which is the lightning bolt, if you guys can see that, the lightning connection, and then the Type-C connection, if you guys can see that. So this one, I'm going to plug it into the actual computer right now. I do have two slots, so I'm going to put them in here, if you guys can see that, two slots, and I'm going to change it right now, right? We're going to change it on the computer so you guys can see. All right, now we're testing it straight from here. So I'm going to tap. If you guys could hear, that's a test coming out. And of course, it's too close to my face, so clip it on here. And this one right here, I'm going to show you the second one. I'm not going to take it out because if I take it out, then you're going to hear double echo on it. But you can also turn it on. There's an on button here. You'll see a little light in the front. When it turns on, it turns blue. All right, that's pretty much it. You could take out these, but the sponges, I kind of like them because for noise cancellation on any kind of wind, it'll kind of, block it out. So when you're ready to recharge them, put them in here. We're also going to do a droid so you guys can see how it works. So, all right, when you start recording, it says recording with USB. That's what it says. That's what I got. So this is the really good audio that's coming out from this microphone. And you're gonna see it on the phone. So if you're doing interviews, you could do interviews with the phone. And I just set it up by my my OBS. That's how I was able to do it. So as you can see, we have a lot of noise in our background, and I'm gonna show you the type of noise that we have in here. There's a machine, a filter system that we have. So anytime we're doing DIY projects and we have noise in the background, this thing blocks it out from all the stuff.